Hi, Jacob with Agorapulse, and in this video today, we're going to take a look at how to create and how to schedule out your Twitter threads in Agorapulse. If you're managing a Twitter account or multiple Twitter accounts, you're very well aware that Twitter's character count can make creating copy very challenging. You may also be aware that Twitter will also allow you to create Twitter threads. This is a great way to expand upon the copy of your initial tweet. Now, once you have your schedule open, you're going to want to select the Twitter account you'll be scheduling for. Now, you can cross post to other networks as well. So if I want to create a message on LinkedIn, on Facebook, but I also want to create a Twitter thread, I can do that all in this publishing modal, all in one fell swoop. Now, when you build out your Twitter copy, you do have the ability, just like when you're building out every post, to add in emojis, add in hashtags, tag location. If you're publishing any URLs, you also have the ability to track your conversions from those URLs as well too. Now, to learn more about tracking your links on all your social networks, including Twitter, check out our how-to video on building out your UTM tracking codes with our UTM builder. Now, back to our original tweet, I have the ability now to add in media on this particular tweet. However, if I don't want to, if I just want to build out my thread, build out all of that copy, you'll simply select your Twitter options right here and make sure that you have publish Twitter threads selected right here. This will open up your next tweet right here and allow you to start building and crafting that message. You still have the ability to use your emoji picker as well as your hashtag list. And if you do decide to add in any links as well, those can be tracked within that thread. Now, you have the ability to add as many additional threads to this tweet as you need. You also have the ability to upload content on any of these threads. So if at the very last thread of this tweet, I want to add in my content, come in here, either add it from your computer, add it from your media library, or utilize your Canva integration to pull directly from your Canva account. You will be able to edit your images directly here for all of your Twitter threads as well. Once you're done building out your Twitter thread, you're able to schedule that, publish it right away, save it as a draft, or assign it to any other team members for them to have a look and approve that content. Thanks so much for watching. To learn more or to watch more videos about our publishing features or any feature about Agorapulse, please visit our website, our help center, or start a direct chat with us today. Bye.